Around 20,000 years ago, during the Upper Paleolithic period, humans invented a revolutionary hunting tool known as a spear thrower. This device can propel spears or darts at speeds up to 93 miles an hour with enough force to kill any animal. The spear thrower basic function to act as an arm extender, allowing greater throwing power when launching a dart. With a potent throw, the dart's range can reach approximately 300 feet or 100 meters, a safe distance for hunting large and dangerous game. This video is a tutorial on how to make a spear thrower. First, we gather the material needed for a spear thrower. A spear thrower consists of two main parts, a spear or dart, and a lever to throw the projectile. Let's begin with the spear or dart. A dart can be between 4 to 9 feet long, with a diameter of 3/8 to 5/8 inches. The shaft should be as straight as possible. Finding a straight wooden shaft that is 4 to 9 feet long can be challenging. However, many willow trees grow straight, and one can be found to make your dart. After finding a straight small tree or branch, cut it down. Trim off any side branches until you have a pole. After this is done, voila, you have a spear or dart for your spear thrower. If the spear has a slight curve, don't worry, you can straighten it with steam. Though this method can be dangerous and time-consuming, it will work, and now you have a straight dart. The killing end of the dart is called the arrow point. The arrow point can either be an arrowhead or a fire-hardened tip. At the bottom of the shaft, a small hole is drilled, which fits into the notch of the lever. Feathers, known as fletching, can be attached to the dart. These feathers help stabilize the dart during flight, improving its accuracy. However, fleshing is not essential. The dart can perform well without it. After completing a dart to your satisfaction, the next step is making the lever. The lever, responsible for generating thrust for the dart. The lever can be crafted from wood or bone and may feature decorations with magical symbols. A touch of magic can enhance the hunt. Would not this be the case? The lever measures from 4 to 24 inches. The length of the forearm can help determine what size of lever works for you for the best result. The most critical part of the lever is the notch that holds the dart in place. This notch can be carved directly into the lever or separately mounted onto it. At the far end of the lever, a leather handle can be added for protection and a better grip when launching the dart. Although not essential, a finger loop can be added for improved control during use. Also, a stone weight can be attached to the lever to increase its mass. This added weight creates more resistance during the swing, resulting in a more forceful and accurate launch of the dart. However, many believe it does nothing and adding a stone is not necessary. At most, may only slightly improve accuracy. With the lever and dart completed, your spear thrower is ready for use. Have fun with your new hunting tool and good luck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, adieu.